Welcome to our KitchenAid Hand Mixer Face-Off. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two popular models, the Ice Blue and Aqua Sky versions of the KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer. Both mixers promise exceptional performance and stylish designs, but which one is the better choice for your kitchen? Let's find out! Both the Ice Blue and Aqua Sky KitchenAid hand mixers are priced at $59, making them equally accessible for consumers. This price point reflects their high-quality construction and performance capabilities, ensuring that you get great value for your money. Whether you prefer the Ice Blue or Aqua Sky color, you won't have to worry about a price difference. Both mixers feature a powerful 60-watt motor with 5 speed settings, allowing for versatile mixing capabilities. Users have praised their performance, noting that they handle a variety of tasks with ease, from whipping cream to mixing dough. However, some users have reported occasional durability issues with the beaters, which is a consideration for long-term use. Overall, both models deliver reliable performance that meets the needs of most home cooks. When it comes to design, the Ice Blue and Aqua Sky models both boast a modern aesthetic that enhances any kitchen. The Ice Blue mixer features a glossy finish that stands out, while the Aqua Sky offers a vibrant look that many find appealing. Both mixers are designed with ergonomic handles for comfortable use and include dishwasher-safe accessories for easy cleaning. Ultimately, the choice between these two comes down to personal preference in color. In conclusion, both the Ice Blue and Aqua Sky KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed hand mixers offer exceptional performance, stylish designs, and a competitive price point. Your choice will ultimately depend on your color preference, as both models deliver the same quality and features. If you enjoyed this comparison, please like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen appliance reviews.